I'm in a 2016 Kia Sorento, and today I'm going to show you how you would jump start your vehicle. So first open the hood, and then towards the driver's side you should find your battery here with your positive terminal under this and your negative terminal here. And you can also double check on the battery itself. There's typically a negative sign by the negative terminal and a positive by the positive. Next, I would check these terminals for corrosion. If there's a lot of corrosion built up, I would clean that off with a good brush or rag. Next, I'd double check these are nice and tight. If these are loose on either side, you can tighten them up so there's a good metal connection. Then after that, with your jump box or jumper cables, you'll take your clamps and you have your red positive clamp on as much of the metal here as you can, and then your negative clamp on as much of the metal here as you can. And if you've got these leading on jumper cables to another vehicle, make sure the other vehicle is turned on with the motor running, and you've got your positive leading to the positive on the other vehicle and your negative leading directly to the negative on the other vehicle, with as good of metal connections on each end as possible. And the one thing you want to make sure you do not do is cross them by mistake. So you'd have a positive leading to a negative, because those crosses could cause significant damage to your electrical system, computers, fuses, things like that. But all that said, once you've had these connected and running for a few minutes with a good connection, hopefully that's given you enough power to get this started. If you've been trying for quite a while with no success, you might need to replace this battery, which typically you can do here just by loosening these terminals to take them off, pulling this air intake off, which has got to pop it out of here, should pull right out. And then you'll just lift the old battery out, set your new battery in, and then reconnect everything nice and tight, and you should be good to go. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.